while they are definitely animal training projects, have really been about people training and have been about the use of technology. So I thought they might be good examples to highlight during a conference on convergence. So when it comes to staff training, I work with a lot of organizations to help them develop training programs for their organization. How to take new employees, new keepers, and turn them into trainers. And a couple of things that I have found, I'm just going to briefly talk about this, is it starts with having a clear position description, having a clear understanding of what the job entails, making sure that as you hire people, that you hire people that with a full understanding of what the job will include, and making sure that they understand that training is a part of their job. Dealing with animal behavior will be a big part of what they will be learning to do and be participating in. And oftentimes, one of the obstacles that gets in the way with a lot of young people coming into new jobs is they're always looking ahead, and they want to know how they get promoted. They want to have a very transparent path for how they get to the next level and how they keep moving forward. And oftentimes, organizations don't necessarily have the most transparent of pathways. It's not clear to people how they get promoted, and that often can cause young people learning and getting into a new job to be uncertain about where to direct their energies and where to direct their attention. I also think it's really valuable if there's a mentorship program of some kind, something that allows young people who are learning their job to have more experienced people to show them, teach them, guide them, and advise them along the way. And I also find that when someone is learning their job, they probably need feedback on a pretty regular basis. And I always encourage people to do formal types of feedback. So often in a business and corporate setting, employees get feedback once a year. It's like annual performance appraisal time. And I always encourage people that they should give much more often formal feedback, as well as real frequent informal feedback. Those mentors should be providing them feedback on a regular basis. They should be guided and coached along the way so that they're constantly being reinforced, they're constantly being redirected if they're not doing the right thing, and helping them guide them in the right direction. And then one of the best tools available to us today is to use the technology of video. There's nothing more valuable for a young trainer than to watch themselves train. Let them see their successes. Let them find their own errors. Let them see what they're doing and what's working and what isn't. And then, of course, I think organizations, when they can set up good continuing education programs where it's a part of their program, including a variety of online options, opportunities to get new information, to stay current in the science, to be aware of the latest trends and developments going on in the zoological community, in the behavior community, in the conservation community. Those are all things that are interesting and that most young zookeepers and trainers are passionate about. And so consequently, having that as a part of your overall development program is critical.